say, my name is Aaliyah Lovett, and this is the Pledge of Allegiance.
I don't like the word.
Oh, you don't want to? Okay, you shy. That's all right. Say it again. Tell her the word. I want you to say, my name is Aaliyah Lovett, and this is the Pledge of Allegiance.
And I don't like to say my name.
Okay, we'll say this is Little Rue, and this is the Pledge of Allegiance.
I don't want to say this.
Just say this.
We'll say this is for Slugger's Pawpaw. For me.
Okay, say it. Come on. Come on, for Sheila comes. You know she's going to be talking all that.
Louder, I can't hear. Stop. No, you said this here for Slugger Pawpaw. What is that? What's that supposed to mean? I don't speak that language. You got to speak better than that. Come on, do it how you want to do it. But wait a minute. Wait. My ears are not that fast. I can't hear. I didn't. You gotta, see, I hear real slow. Yeah, I hear slow. This is Sheila. This is Cook Mom.
Hey, look like I see you before.
Yeah, you look familiar to me too.
Yeah, I just be up there with Mike Carter.
Mike Carter?
Yeah, oh, you Mike Bear. Yeah. And my cousin Serena, she got a daughter by his brother. Bobby, yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Chris girl, Karen, Chris.
I remember Cam. Me and Cam was like that when I was 14, 15, when she was in grade school.
Okay, that's my first cousin.
No, I would like to see Cam. I mean,
she stayed right down the street somewhere. I don't know exactly where she stayed, but they say she stayed.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Jafar. I was born Jeffrey, but Muslim now I'm Jafar. But yeah, they used to call me Smitty Roo back when I was a kid.
That's what I know. Smitty Roo.
Yeah.
Now you're talking.
That's right.
That's what I know.
Yeah.
Smitty Roo. If you would have said that, I know.
Yeah. Back then, I was. Yes. What you want to have, no? Yes, yeah. All that. I do whatever you want. What you want. Oh, so we know about all that. Okay. What's your name? Tell me your name.
My name is Sheila.
And who's your daughter?
Oh, Michelle Chris is my daughter.
Yes.
And I'm standing in the gap. Oh, yeah, Michelle Chris Williams. Let me get that straight.
Yeah.
The pastor Slugger Room.
Yes. This guy right here.
Lady, Michelle Room.
Yes.
Oh, yes. And I'm Miss Sheila Chris.
That's right.
Yeah. And God has first place in my life today.
Yes.
And God said, every mountain.
Yeah. Hey, Yay. You know my daughter's Tasha Jen?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. They talk about you all the time. Yeah.
Who's on your phone?
Huh?
Yeah. Never. Where you got the lady say
oh, yeah, okay. Oh, wait a minute, and this Shorty, this my little brother right here, this good brother, too. Oh, yeah? This Shorty Low right here. Shorty? Yeah. Shorty Low? Okay.
They 22 years apart.
All right, okay.
18 years later, God decided I burn me too in a couple of months.
It's been 18 years?
18 years apart. 22 years apart.
Is he the youngest? Yep. Okay. My wife wondered why I'm saying that, but you know why. Yes, man. I'm trying. Okay, we on some what is it? Oh yeah, the fixed flat. Okay, let me.
That's where you get that hair from.
I'm gonna try to look for they wanted to see what Pearl Ann was looking like. Okay, now I'm gonna go to Slugger. Just keep the film. Just keep. I'm looking.
I wear my hat.
Come on, let's get on this clip.
Did you record this up?
I think this is video.
Come on, y'all, let's shoot a video.
You might as well. We got all the extra.
Nobody being in no way. Oh, but you have all the hat. Come on,
You got your phone.
I'm going to talk.
Okay, what's it called?
Oh my God,
you love that.
This.
Come on, y'all ain't got it.
You want to show her? Oh, she's seen it. Oh, okay.
Oh, no, that's all
Still in the emergency room. This is my twin, Stacia. I don't know. Wake up. Mama, I won't move.
All right, well.